Hey, apparently. Okay.
What? Apparently what?
Apparently you got the wrong charge for Chang from what Angel just said.
I have it. Assault with
Don't
deadly
be.
firearm.
Can't
I
switch
mean,
up the
assault with deadly
charge.
weapon. Sorry. That's literally the whole point. Are you arguing the assault with a deadly
Oh.
weapon?
That's not the
I think
charge you
arguing
told me.
assault manslaughter.
Okay. Well, the charge got messed up, so either way, he's gonna get
Wow.
fixed. So. So are you? Before we even start this, are you arguing the assault with deadly weapon charge? Or no?
I'm here to speak with the judge, not you, sir, because you obviously don't know how to do your job.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Back
No
the fuck
no
up.
problem. No problem.
How you doing, Officer Barry?
Good.
Okay, can I have the charges sent to me for Mr. Chang?
They're not too sure about the charges. They keep switching them.
Yes, they'll be coming from Conan Clarkson.
All right. Park Ranger
All right.
Clarkson.
How you doing,
send me
Judge
those?
LeBar?
I'm doing
What?
fine. Send me the
Send me the
charges.
charges.
How am I supposed
Oh,
to
sorry,
question
sorry.
anything
I
here?
didn't hear what you said.
Okay, you guys understand how this works for a
this
bench trial, right? You come in and
See
you're
what I've been
prepared and
working
ready
about?
to go. Yes. Okay, Mr. Chang, hold on. You guys gotta have those charges ready for me.
Oh,
The time and the fine associated with it, so I can question and I can inform Mr. Chang here of what he's facing.
All right, so he's looking at one time
he can
criminal
either-
possession of a.
Okay, I want you to send them to me over the radio. Okay.
Oh,
Type
sorry.
them out.
Okay.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
Officer Barry, could you also remove the handcuffs from Mr. Chang?
Yeah,
Ah,
he's
thank you so
human.
much. Thank you so much, Judge.
Hey,
You're welcome.
really quickly, can you
Animals.
send me a list of charges that
Animals,
you're gonna be going
Chang.
for?
Vinny, let's keep it down, please.
Come on,
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Okay, make sure you include assault on an LEO in there too.
What do these people know? My brain not cool on a whole nother fucking
yeah,
web.
Wait, how are you
I already
adding
got
charges
20
right
different
now?
equations,
It's
Carl.
not even normal.
Hey, Mr. Pistone, can you please keep it down, sir?
Mr.
It's swung
LeBar,
at you guys, correct?
All right,
It's swung at you,
everybody
correct?
calm down, please.
how
Okay,
are they
I'm-
adding
go ahead.
charges?
It's
Vinny,
alright. It's okay.
They're not
guys.
adding anything else. I've got the 2 charges that he's currently facing
great.
at this
Let's
time
do it.
in front of me, all right? This is what he's facing.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and call this bench trial into session at this time. Mr. Chang,
I wonder if I suck the judge up.
officers
Will you let me go?
across from you are charging you with criminal possession of a firearm, class 1, and assault with a deadly weapon. That comes with 25 months and a $2,000 fine. How are you pleading at this time, Mr. Chang?
May I ask
To
a
both
question
charges.
first? I'm confused because before I came here, they told me I was being charged with, I believe it was attempted manslaughter. They keep switching the charges up on me. I'm a little confused.
Okay. Well, it seems that they've not gone with attempted manslaughter. They're going with criminal possession of a firearm in class 1 and assault with a deadly weapon. So
Oh,
it's up
okay.
to you whether you want to plead guilty at this time to both charges, not guilty, or
Can they break
guilty
that
on
in
one,
half?
not guilty on
Yes, guilty on the possession
may.
of the weapon, not guilty on
the. Okay.
the assault one. Oh my God!
Okay,
Would
all
you
right.
look at that?
So at this time, you're going to go ahead with guilty on criminal possession of a firearm and not guilty with assault with a deadly weapon.
Right.
Okay, all right. The officers, do you have any physical evidence to produce to me at this time pertaining to
yes,
the
we have
assault with a deadly weapon?
Yes, you do, sir. Your Honor, we have a machete.
Okay. Anything
And
else?
we also have one statement given from the victim, as per Officer Angel has taken.
Okay, is the victim available to testify here, or are they in the hospital?
They're currently resting at the hospital.
They're currently resting at the hospital. All right.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Mr. Chang, do you have any physical evidence or any witnesses that you're going to call on your behalf on your
Yes.
side, sir? Okay,
Can I
who
use
would that be?
Miss Angel? Because I actually flagged her down and told her about the injured man, and also Mr. Benny Pistone.
Okay, all right. You have Mr. Pistone, and you would like to ask Officer Angel a few questions in regards to the charge that you're facing.
Correct.
Okay, all right. All right, at this time, I'm going to go ahead. Now, both officers that are in front of me, is there anybody else that witnessed this from your side?
That would be me, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. So one at a time. Officer Barry, I'm going to I want everybody that's going to testify
Oh,
right
no,
now.
my
That's Mr.
brain's
Chang,
swelling. My
Officer
brain's
Barry,
throbbing. I'm
Conan
using it
Clarkson,
too
and
much.
Officer Angel. I want you to raise your left hand
about me?
Ah, yes, Mr. Pistone. You as well, Mr.
Okay.
Chang. Raise your left hand for
See
me.
how it is.
Mr. Pistone,
Yeah, it's
right.
raised.
do you
Gatorade.
swear and affirm that the testimony you're about to give here today is the truth, nothing but the truth, so help you, Mitch?
Oh my God.
I do.
Would you look
I
at
do.
that?
All right. Mr. Chang?
I do.
I do.
All right, thank you. All right, Officer Barry, I want to hear your statement, sir, as to the charges of assault with a deadly weapon when it comes to Mr. Chang.
Yes, Your Honor.
Start from
Unfortunately,
beginning to the end, sir.
Oh my God.
Unfortunately, Your Honor,
Would
I
you
was
look
not
at
present
that?
for the assault on a deadly weapon. We received a 911 call, or was flagged down by Mr. Chang. That was Officer Angel,
Wait,
was
do I
flagged
get to
down
stand right here?
about an individual that was apparently ran over by a vehicle of some sort. Unfortunately, I don't
when
have
you
enough
say-
information.
So you weren't there when Mr. Chang flagged down Officer Angel?
Correct. The only person there was Mr. Chang and Officer Angel, Your Honor.
All right,
Oh
so
my God.
Park Ranger Clarkson, is
It's been a
that
great
also
2
the same for
months.
you, sir? You did not witness the assault with a deadly weapon or anything like that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So you have basically no statement to give on behalf of the assault with a deadly weapon charge.
Correct.
That would be me that would be giving it.
Okay, all right. All right, Officer Angel, let me hear your statement then at this time when it comes to
Yes,
the
Your Honor.
Oh my
assault with a
God.
deadly
Would
weapon
you
charge.
look at that?
Okay. So I was on patrol on Howick Avenue. I was traveling westbound. I drove past the Pink Cage Motel and I noticed a man was laying on the ground with Mr. Chang standing over
Liar.
him.
Liar.
I kept driving down the road and I did a double take because I was not really expecting to see that. And I kind of stopped in the middle of the road. Mr. Chang ran up to me yelling, "Officer, officer, come help. I think this man got hit by a car." And then I said, "Oh, really?" And then he took off running up the street, heading northbound on Power Street, I believe. And I turned around and I went to go provide aid to the man named as Steve Mathis. He stated that Mr. Chang had just stabbed him with a machete and he was bleeding heavily. I took him to the hospital and he was given medical treatment by Dr. Choi, who could indeed confirm that he was stabbed by a machete. And I called out over the radio for all units to be on the lookout for a Mr. Chang so that he could be detained for questioning. At that point, I am really not sure as to what happened on scene, so that would be up to these two, as they were the ones who detained Mr. Chang and questioned him. But he was found with a machete on his person just about 1 block north of where the scene of the crime happened.
All right. Was there any blood on the machete or anything like that? Officer Barry, since you did detain him?
Yeah, Your Honor. We removed the machete off his person, and due to the fact that he was recently in a fight club that was sanctioned by the Los Angeles Police Department, we weren't able to
Yes.
see if there was any blood on him or his machete that belonged to the individual.
All right.
At the
So we
apartment.
have a victim that claimed that Mr. Chang used the machete against him, and Mr. Chang was. So we have someone who was laying in the middle of the road, and Mr. Chang claimed that he was struck by a vehicle, and then Mr. Chang, after I'm sorry, Officer Angel, you had stopped. Mr. Chang then proceeded to leave the area, correct?
One modification. He wasn't in the middle of the road. He
That
was
story's
on
so
the
wrong.
sidewalk in the parking area.
sidewalk,
He was
okay,
laying
all right.
on those 2 areas, yeah.
Okay, all
He
right.
was
Thank
not
you
on
for
the sidewalk.
clarifying that for me. All right, Mr. Chang, I want to hear your statement,
Yeah,
sir.
let me tell you what actually
Right.
happened, because a lot of that.
Okay.
So, as you know, me and you got in a fight club. Okay? I might have slipped, you might have cracked me in the jaw, I might have went to the hospital. Okay?
I was there,
Huh?
yes.
After that, I was heading my way on up to the gun store, right above the apartments, to get picked up from Benny, who was gonna give me my car, which I left at the fight club. On my way there, I see the guy wrangling in front of the apartments in that little parking area. He was not on the sidewalk. He was in where you park your cars. Okay? I was there. I was asking what happened. I'm not really sure what happened. I think he got hit by a car, which I told Miss Angel. But before we get to that, then Miss Angel drives out of the apartment and drives straight by the body. She does not stop or do anything. Why would a cop drive by a body that she saw on the ground? I don't believe that. She kept going all the way down to the intersection. I ran after her car. I said, "Help, help, I think this guy got hit by a car." And after that, she said, what? And she reversed. So I kept going where I was going, up to the gun store. When I get up to the gun store, That's when Officer Reynolds there, and they start pointing the tasers and everything at me. That's the story.
Okay. Now, when the officers had tasers on you, you just put your hands up and you surrendered yourself when they asked you to?
It got a little heated, sir. I was a little upset as I just helped save some guy's wife, and now I'm being treated like a criminal. But
Okay,
here I am
alright.
now.
All right, Officer Angel, when you were arriving on scene, did you not see the body right away? I'm sorry, the person
as
that
I
was
was-
laying down on the ground?
I didn't, so just to clarify, I didn't get a call.
Mhm.
I was driving westbound on Halleck Avenue, and I did see
Okay.
him laying on the ground with Mr. Chang next to him. I did not stop immediately, and I continued driving down the road, and then it occurred to me what I'd just seen, and then I stopped at the light when Mr. Chang ran up to me.
It was a
Alright.
red light.
Now, what about any kind of wounds on the victim? Did you happen
He was
to see any
found
of
with a
those?
long,
Would you look at that?
yeah, he had a long slash wound down the back, I believe it was described to me by Miss Dr. Choi.
Okay, all right. Mr. Pistone, do you have a statement to give to the court at this time, sir?
The only statement I have to give is when Chang called me, I told him where is he? He told me meet me at the gun store by the apartment.
Vinny
And I went
called
up
me.
there, and I got impatient like I normally do, and I called him back and I said, "What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, there we go. We're good.
You have me sitting here waiting so long." He's like, "I think somebody just got hit by a car. I'll call you right back, but stay at the gun store." And that's what I did. I waited there.
All right,
What?
so you didn't see this person
Why would he
get
lie?
potentially struck by a vehicle or a machete or anything like that?
No, I was told from Mr. Chang he was struck by a vehicle.
Okay,
And I said, all right, hurry the fuck up because I'm getting impatient.
all right. Let's try to calm the language down.
I
a little bit, Mr.
apologize.
Pistone.
I was
know it's
just,
part
I,
of your
I,
statement.
Vinny
I
didn't
was
get
just,
there
I
till
was just
after.
saying it the way I say it, you know?
All right. Officer Angel, do you have anything else to add to your statement?
I would like to add something, Your Honor.
All right, give me just a moment. Let me let Officer Angel
Oh
finish.
my
And Mr.
God,
Chang, I will
would
ask
you
you the
look
same
at
question
that?
when they are done.
No problem, boss.
No, Your Honor, I believe I mentioned everything that is relevant.
All right. Officer Barry, you had something to say?
Yes, when we arrived, when Clarkson and I arrived on scene with Officer Leonard to figure out what was going on with Mr. Chang, Vinny Pistone was in the area, waiting in the car for Mr. Chang, and that's when Mr. Chang was a little bit hesitant to work with Officer Leonard due to the fact that he didn't understand what was really going on, and now we're here.
Okay. All right. And Mr. Chang, do you have anything else to add, sir?
I'm just very confused as why an officer would go by, if they did see a body on the ground, and simply drive by it, and then claim they stopped at a right when there was a red light. That's why they stopped. I'm confused as why the officer is lying in court.
Yeah, I think what she said, and it's happened to me before. I don't know in this particular instance. I can't speak on her behalf. Is she may have seen something and then it registered in her mind or in her brain what she saw, and then she backed up to speak to you about it.
All I gotta say then is
All right.
I don't know why I'm trying to be treated like a criminal when I was just trying to help somebody. That's all.
Okay. All right. I'll go ahead and place this bench trial in recess, and then I will come back with a verdict as soon as I can. This bench trial's in recess. Everybody just kind of hang out in this area.
No problem.
Hey, how you
Said
doing,
that
Coop?
The testimony was hearsay.
Yeah?
Cool.
The
It's a
fuck?
bunch of he said, she said bullshit.
Exactly.
Oh
I think
God,
Chang's
would you
super
look
guilty,
at that?
guys. I think he was just thrown away for life.
I think we
No,
should
and
give
quite
him a round, so
frankly,
thank
I
you.
saw fucking Conan Clarkson and what is that guy? They were touching each other when I was in fucking holding and making weird boating noises like, oh yeah, such.
What?
It was fucking weird.
That does
You did
sound like
great,
Gary Barry.
You did great.
Wait, is that why when Gary Barry
did
got out
great,
of his
Angel.
cop car before he had a boner?
Yeah.
When we got to
Yeah.
Well, you had a
Did great.
what the
No, I
fuck?
didn't.
And they
Oh,
told me they
God,
do
it all
stuff
makes
on the
sense
fucking
now.
job, and they said, so what? What's wrong with being gay? I'm like, yeah, but not on the fucking
Can't
job.
can't you be fired for that while you're working?
Okay.
Yeah, they were fucking
Right.
each other. That's why they got right to the scene.
You were spreading rumors.
That's why you said the back of their
Sure, why
cruiser
you
was all
arguing?
slippery.
Exactly. Fucking exactly.
What the fuck, dude? That's disgusting. They put you in the back of a cruiser where somebody his probably ass cheeks were?
Yeah.
Oh,
And
not
scheming
just his
all
ass
over.
cheek.
I think they're
Look.
scheming on my ass right now. Oh my god. Would you look at that?
That's fucking
Dude, this-
disgusting.
You guys are lying.
They're lying. I don't know why they're lying, but this.
We use protection.
Are you
Of course.
saying I'm lying under oath right now, sir?
Oh my god.
Well,
Would
technically
you
you're
look
not
at
under
that?
oath right now. Court is in recess.
Try.
What? Vinny?
Listen, do I look? I'm a park ranger. Do I look like somebody who would do this?
Oh
Do these
my
antics
God.
on duty?
Would you look at that?
No, you probably fuck mountain lions. That's what you do.
okay, Chang. Everything will be okay.
I can't wait to talk to you guys when we get out of here.
Yeah, it'll be good.
Yeah, same.
It'll be good stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, more corruption.
Classic. Kidding, officer.
Oh yeah.
This spaghetti guy just talks so goddamn much.
Excuse me, sir? Choop? Can I approach the bench, Choop? Judge Holliday, can I approach the bench, please?
Come here, Vinny.
You look marvelous today, always looking sexy. I have an issue. That cop is racist. Because I'm Italian, he said that spaghetti guy over there is so annoying. I don't appreciate that, being from an Italian descent, an officer of the law calling me the spaghetti guy. No, not once.
Oh my god, disgusting.
Yes, I'm an owner of a dealership.
By the way, Chang, I scheduled some flight lessons in a few days.
Alright.
Scheduled
will.
some flight
I
lessons.
will. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
Oh yeah.
Can you tell
Thank you.
Troop I can't hear him?
All right, can everyone hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your
Yes,
Honor.
Your Honor.
Racist son of a bitches call me spaghetti. I'm sorry.
Oh my
I'm sorry,
God.
Judge.
Would you look at that?
Mr. Pistone,
Hello.
this is a court of law.
He called me the spaghetti
I'm
guy.
sorry, Vinny, calm
No,
down. I'm sorry,
okay.
Judge. He's Italian.
You two can take that out on each other.
I'm taking
later
him to
on, or
court.
Maybe at the next fight club or something like that.
No, I'm taking him
Okay.
to court.
All right. So
Can
at
you
this
please
time,
wish
I'm
my
going to go ahead
friend
and
that
call
took
this bench
Labor's
trial
a
back
happy birthday in Chang's voice.
into session. Mr. Chang, you already pled guilty for criminal possession of a
Right.
firearm in the Class 1. Now under the charge of assault with a deadly weapon that you're facing here today, sir. I'm going to
Not
find you not
guilty.
guilty.
Oh my God. Would you look at that?
What we really needed here today was the witness was a crucial and key part of the testimony that we should have heard.
Oh my
Except
God.
I got
Would you look
a
at that?
statement from Officer Angel as to what the witness said, and without that witness here, and without any kind of statement from that witness, and without myself being able to question
Oh my
said
God.
witness,
Would you look at
I'm going to
that?
go ahead and find you not guilty of assault with a deadly weapon. Now, the criminal possession of a firearm does come with a 10 months and a $500 fine. You've been here long enough, sir. I will give you the fine
Oh
and
my
give you
God.
time served
Would
at
you
this
look
point,
at
sir.
that? Okay, so thank you very much for being
This
fair.
bench trial is now dismissed. So he will be charged with criminal possession of a firearm in a Class 1 and a $500 fine. Thank you.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. All right, take me away,
Awesome.
boys.
Let's get out of here.
Well, you're not going
You know,
nowhere.
You're getting time
You're not
served.
going anywhere.
You're
You're
getting
getting
time
time
served.
served and a
Take me
$500
here,
fine.
boys.
Chang.
Take me here.
We're gonna.
I believe
we're gonna
Mr.
be
Chang
billing-
is too used
Clarkson,
to going
can
to
you bill
jail
him?
in this situation.
Would you look at that?
That,
Well,
that
hold
could
on.
be
And-
Coop, but
And when
you know,
when you're
did the
outside,
right thing
Mr. Chang, I have your
I
belongings.
think,
Okay.
I think Mr. Chang has muscle reactions,
stay right here.
muscle memory to being arrested.
Damn, Bria, I didn't even recognize you with that.
Yeah,
those
Chang, let me
clothes.
just
Whoa,
give you a
not Bree.
citation over here.
Yeah, you're lucky you didn't lose your job. You're lucky, Bob. Shit, cop.
Sir, it's not our fault that officers decided to do what they did.
You guys are lucky you didn't lose your fucking job. Oh my God. You guys are way
Why would
lucky.
we?
I
why
could have had
would
your
we lose
job
our
taken up
job?
just like that. It could be
Yeah,
as
why
quick
would
as
I-
pop
yeah,
up,
yeah.
pop up. That's me fucking your mom. It took 2 seconds and I
Alright.
schemed.
There you go, sir.
You know what? Looking at my pockets doesn't seem like I have your belongings anymore, Mr. Chang. You have a good one.
Wait, what?
Oh, Chang, let me give you your binoculars back when we get back outside.
Excuse
All
me.
I do is
This
win.
man stole my stuff.
what? Yep. Racist son of a bitch. I'm taking you to court, you piece of garbage.
No, you're not. You don't got time for all that.
I'm
Move out of the
taking your
way.
ass to fucking court, you piece of garbage.
Move
Chang,
out
let
of
me
here
put
with
the
your
stuff
dollar
back.
store chain. Get that.
I'll pay Chang's fine. Bill me.
There's no fine. I'm giving him his stuff back. That's
There
not
you
me.
go.
That's Clarkson.
Wait, what? Okay, I guess. Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, no problem. Chang, I got my Bluetooth on, and all I do is win.
Hell yeah, can I have my stuff back?
Successfully defends himself in court.
No,
Winner's
sir, you cannot. Have a
POV.
nice day.
Wait, joints are legal? I thought you could only have like one of them.
Oh my god. Alright. So back to business?
Yes, sir. Look, I got your beautiful car waiting.
Jump.